Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the University Hospital, the University Hospital of the West Indies. And we are going to give you an update on 5 mega hotel projects that are being done in Jamaica. I think it's safe to say that this is the first time ever that so much money has been spent to build hospitals or refurbish hospitals or redevelop them. Billions of dollars, almost $100 billion is being spent on hospitals in Jamaica. Now, the first one we're going to talk about is the redevelopment of the University Hospital of the West Indies. They are going to be building 5 6-story towers. Now you see that building straight ahead? They're going to demolish it and build the first of the 5 6-story towers. I think it's going to be $7 billion they spend. Now the building to the left is a Tony Thwaites wing, which is like a private hospital. And the building all the way to the right is the accident and emergency room. And right in front of this building, across from the road, they're going to be building a car park. And they're also going to be building a new entrance to the hospital because there's a serious problem with the entrance to this hospital in that the road is sometimes blocked and you have traffic because of vendors on the road and taxis stopping in the road. So they're building a new entrance. Now, what they're spending here at this hospital is nothing compared to what they're spending at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. They are spending $21 billion to rebuild the Cornwall Regional Hospital. They have spent $6.7 billion already. They're spending another $5.8 billion this fiscal year, and they're going to spend $8.9 billion over the next 2 years. And this project started in 2019 and was to finish in 2023, but it's now been extended to 2027. And these projects are being funded by the taxpayer, the government of Jamaica. And the Cornwall Regional Hospital is the premier healthcare facility in Western Jamaica. Now, that's the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Now, on the same grounds as the Cornwall Regional Hospital, they are building the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital. So this is a brand new hospital from scratch. A children's hospital in Montego Bay. It's going to be on the same compound as the Cornwall Regional Hospital. And this one is going to be a 220 bed facility. It's going to be the largest children's hospital in Western Jamaica, and possibly could be the largest children's hospital in Jamaica. I'm not sure how big the Bustamante Children's Hospital is going to be, but billions being spent on that. And that one is actually a collaboration between the government of Jamaica and the Chinese government. Now KPH, they are going to literally be rebuilding KPH. They are going to be even putting in a new ward, but they have plans to rebuild the hospital down there. And that's downtown Kingston. And then the Spanish Town Hospital, billions are being spent to build a new building. They've actually started construction, and we'll give you updates on it. That's the Spanish Town Hospital. They're going to modernize the hospital, and they've started by building a new building. So you have the KPH Hospital to be rebuilt, the Spanish Town Hospital, Cornwall Regional Hospital, the Children's Hospital, and the redevelopment of the University Hospital. And they're also going to be upgrading the Maypen Hospital and the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. So these are the major projects that are going on in the healthcare system. Now, when we make these videos about roads and hotels, and people always say, what about the infrastructure, the hospitals, the police stations? Well, Guys, they're being rebuilt too, and not just a few million. We're talking hundreds, almost 100 billion to be spent. Some has been spent already over a few years to rebuild these hospitals. Major, as I like to say, mega developments when it comes on to hospitals. And something I like about what they're doing here at UWI, this building we're looking at, they're demolishing the old building and putting up a new structure. Jamaica needs to move towards this system. We have so many old buildings. Demolish them and build new ones. Now, we're not talking about the historic sites. We're talking about buildings that have no longer served their purpose, or a place where newer buildings need to be built. Alright, guys, let us know what you think about these hospital developments. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, and remember what we're looking at. It's 5 6-story buildings that are going to be built up at UWI. Alright, guys, have a good day.